big up yourself, G. Yeah, man, blessings every time. Every time. Alright, so me see team them hide in the car, they claim say they're shy. They claim 1-6 bars, big up yourself. Alright. You want to say something? Alright. Come Mel, as you just come, I'll put it on the spot. So subscribe. Come tell us, how has the journey been? Being a YouTuber. Would I say you're a solo female YouTuber, right? Alright, so we got mixed beauty male guys. All the way from up in Portland. Yeah man, we don't say a girlfriend man. So, you understand me? What is true as a female, as a solo female YouTuber?
Alright, hello everybody. My channel name is Mixed Beauty Mel, and yeah, I've been doing YouTube for like about, I would say 4 years now. And the journey, it has its ups and downs. They're very, very hard sometimes, but the key is to stay consistent and make sure so you keep on put out your content and stuff like that. So just keep on pushing. And I mean, mainly I started off just doing vlogs because me and my family wouldn't always go beach and stuff, so naturally more than just vlogging. And then eventually what I did was with my mom. She's a German lady, a white lady, but she's been in Jamaica for over 40 years now. So what really and truly pushed my channel was doing story times with my mom. So she was talking about all her years them here in Jamaica and everything that she experienced as a white lady and stuff. So you just have to find something that is personal to you and that you are willing to share, because even the first time we did do the vlog with her telling her story, she did just one simple like rap. She didn't think the video would go anywhere at all. Like she just did say, nobody not gonna watch this anyways. But people did watch it, and I think now it's close to 300,000 views or something. And to this day she's like, look, I couldn't put on something better than you, So it's really and truly, you don't think people want to see it, but they do want to see it. So whatever you have to share, just share. And just stay true to yourself. Whatever your personality is, just make sure so you bring it across on the screen. Don't fake anything. The people then will like you for who you are. So just continue pushing, everybody.
And guys, we'll have our next female YouTuber. She's well, she says she's a mermaid. We never say a mermaid yet, so we are going to see one today. So come Jessica. She calls herself the mermaid. She's a spear, well, she does a lot of spearfishing as well. And we did a couple collabs together, I always love and respect Jessica. She's a great YouTuber as well. So just kind of, give us a little, tips as it relates to, starting a YouTube channel and all of that.
Well, a lot of things have been said already, and but it's really storytelling, like Mel said. Don't underestimate your authentic story, and now that is what makes the difference. You are unique, so everybody is unique, meaning you have a story to tell, your experience, and I noticed this is really what connects with your audience. Whatever you have and you're willing to share it. If you have a talent, try. If you don't try, you will never know. So you just have to, give it a try. And same, be authentic. Yeah, what else? I'm a mermaid. Yeah, and no. Honestly, Collaz, I'm so proud of you. I love the unity, what you've done for the community and the people you inspire locally and overseas. Trust me, and it's motivating as well when you can see what can be done. You don't have to necessarily wait on a corporation to come to you and give you a necessarily a job, because you can do things on your own with YouTube, and I love that. So it gives us a lot of opportunity. Here's the proof, and I love it. I love what you're doing and with your crew. And guys, you guys already know. If you don't know, well then you're living under the rock. Yeah, that is it. Guys, sometimes, you know, we might not answer a question. Feel free, come towards me and just ask what you maybe have an issue with, because sometimes you might have a little issue while you're uploading your channel, or, you know, specific to you. Just come and ask me maybe directly, or ask here in the crowd. So that can be a more specific help for your channel, or, you know, or your journey where you at that right now at this moment.
Alright guys, so that's Jessica Cargill. So you can check her out and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so I will kind of switch it up now. Somebody who maybe just start them channel, or probably under 100 subscribers, or even thinking about starting a YouTube channel. If you're there right now, come in. Okay. Alright, I love that. So I see you using the packetry. Very, very nice and beautiful camera quality. I love it when I use for my travel videos as well. Alright, so tell us, what's the name of your channel?
So, hello everyone, my name is Miss V Lifestyle JA. My channel's only 2 weeks old. My husband and I are minding our own business in St. Anne's, building our house. And we decided to take up Collaz Challenge and start a YouTube channel. I don't know where this is going to go. Today when I came here, I had 8 subscribers. I hope I get more. I'm so excited. So many YouTubers here today in one place. My God, this is amazing. I'm so excited to be here. Thank you, Collaz, for what you've done. Seriously, big up, okay? We love you very much. My husband, say hello, Roy.
Big up, big up, big up.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, so you see that, guys? She came here today and she have 8 subscribers. So, what's your channel name again? Miss V Lifestyle JA. Miss V Lifestyle JA. VEE. Okay, so Miss V Lifestyle JA. All right, guys. So I want to know if we run up our channel. She have 8 subscribers when she come here. When she check it again, she's supposed to have over 100. All right. Please and thanks. If you can get her to 1,000 quick and fast, that's every YouTuber's dream. And let me tell you, as YouTubers, as young YouTubers, sometimes we tend to focus on the numbers. While it is important, as Cameron said earlier, focus more on the quality of your content, whether it be, you know, the idea, the story that you're telling, or whatever it is. Because as I say, when we did come, I will start go up in the hills and I run down common fowl and I cook certain things. Me never even know, say, Collaz Smith TV at this day would have been at 173,000 subscribers. But at the time, we were just enjoying what we were doing. And just, yeah, money will come as Cameron said, you know? It's all about being authentic, being creative, being original.
And don't forget the most high job.
Alright.
Rap stuff for her. Blessed love everybody, you know. Don't forget the most high, nothing to do, see? Take it over, Collaz. Love every time.
BNG. Alright. I'm a dancer, you know. We soon get a piece of talk for. Don't worry yourself. So, alright, so I'm kinda. Alright, so let's hold on a little, guys. Alright, so for me, instead of, you know, focusing too much on the numbers, what we want to focus on is picture quality and audio quality. Now there's a difference. It is said that 50% of your video is audio, so it go hand in hand. So your picture quality can be the best, most beautiful, most smooth. You see, if the audio is not good, most people now watch it. You go out to seaside and you do one video and it's pretty like money and all you hear just breeze. Me I tell you the truth, me now watch it. Now I understand that gear can be a bit expensive, but at the same time you have like cheap gear where you can start off with. I mean, the first microphone with me buy was a lapel mic that I want to pin on, and that microphone was like about $10 US. So you can do the maths. Just buy it from Amazon and we use it, and then over time you upgrade. So you now have to bust your brain to say, you want a road mic, one of the most expensive, or want a bad DJ mic, because now if you have it, you know, by all means, you know, go ahead and get it. But don't break the bank or don't break your pocket. Forget there. You know, everything comes in stages and strides, alright? Nowadays, everybody have a good phone. Yeah? I say, right now, I look on be iPhone and be a Samsung. Yeah, me no see, right now, me no see no blue. Why next one in here? Huawei and them there? Me no see none of them there. Me say be a nice quality. Right now, I can look on the phone and tell them. Yeah? I say S24 Ultra. I say S23 Ultra. But an iPhone I record with. So the thing is, if you don't have a mic and you're gonna do outdoor, you know, videos, and a day like now when the wind is calm, best time. But don't wait for the breeze get high if you say me I go outdoors. You see me? If you have to do a video, you find a little corner and you can rig up some things to, you know. Get creative, get a piece of sponge and put it where you know a mic there. And kind of block the breeze.
All of you guys we can't afford no mic at all. Because sometimes mic cheap, you know, but you still can't afford it. Alright, so most persons use CapCut to edit. There's a section in CapCut. There's a section in CapCut. Well, I don't know if you have on the phone now, can go up on CapCut, but it's very important. You have a section where say isolate. Wait there. It's very important, you know, guys. Isolate voice. So if you're there in the breeze, if you do a video in the breeze, and you want to cut out all the breeze, isolate voice, and in the section you click on isolate voice, you see keep voice and you see remove voice. So you just press keep voice. And all you got here is just you attack. You're not hear no breeze, no car drive, nobody and knock nothing. So you only open and understand what me I say. And I free version. Alright, so for all who have a free version, because them are turn everything in a pro now. But if you have a free version, I just $8 a month. $8 US a month. But it's still cheap on the mic. May I tell you now. So for all of you, I don't use no mic. All the subscribers that I get on the video that I don't use one mic.
Yeah, see man.
Yeah, I do my video that I see. Breeze and liquid. So that's what I use. Just go in and isolate voice and press keep voice, and you're not hear no interference. You hear your voice clear and clean. So I don't know if this helps, but I just want to share.
Alright, so while big up yourself, Cameron, for that, and while we love the tip, we are encouraging to get a mic though. as a person who love camera and into gears and all that, Mark can tell you fans. So it is better to try if you do it. Like how you go now? How you saying go now? I say what you must say now basically if you fix it in post. So before you post the video. So if you can fix it before the problem even occur, better for you. Yeah, but CapCut him use, me use Power Director, other people use Premiere Pro, well that for the iMovie and all of them, InShot, you know there are a whole lot of them. But the easier way is to get a mic. Yeah, and not just the mic, but you want one of the wind muff. Some people call them dead cat. You look for a thing for the mic, and you're good. Yeah.
I have one car, but I don't think I can reach a car. The same muff I go by GoPro, about $5 US for 2 of the muff. And it filters out all breeze. When they use this policy with the muff on it, I don't filter out nothing, I filter out all the wind. All the wind. A little muff, one little black muff, fit over the GoPro. About $5 US for 2 of them. And 2 of them can last you all year. Just put it on my GoPro, filter out all the wind. Just your voice.
Alright, yeah man, so that was, you know, the little tip about the gear. Yeah. Because I realize a lot of people have good quality camera. But when it come on to the audio side of things, it's a little bit chippy and choppy, you know? Start with what you want to have. And be original to yourself. Yeah, but sometimes we like to hear the natural. Right, sometimes you have some moments, you know, where you can't replicate, you know. A once in a lifetime moment that, you don't want to miss that. Right. So, that is it right now. If anybody else wants to come and say anything, open mic right now.
Yes, Collaz, thanks to be here. I fly out all the way from St. Kitts, representing St. Kitts as a Jamaican living over there. And when Collaz come out and say it's going to have this gathering today, I just purchased my ticket within 1 week to be here. And I'm so grateful for it, Collaz. It couldn't be better. I really enjoyed my 2 days in the country here, where they say Portland with the boat land. I just launched my YouTube channel last year, October, and it's really a friend who encouraged me when things wasn't going my way, right? And because things wasn't going my way over there, I have a store, and it was literally taken out of my hand just like that. So I have to start again from the bottom. Things getting hard with me over there, and I said, what am I gonna do? When she tell me to TikTok, then the next one tell me to YouTube channel. So that is how I really launched my channel there. So from there now, I'm starting to push myself now because I see the importance of working hard. And my channel name is Anne-Marie Lifestyle. So what I do, I try to create a content every week, whether I cook or go into the grocery, but I try my best to put it in. And I also do my little part-time work as well. So my work is very busy. So I just take out 2 weeks from there to come here to be at the gathering, the link up, and the link up is great. I meet a lot of awesome youth work here today. Some of them helping me with the live today when I went live. Oh my God, it was so much joy for me to hear today. Just to see my Jamaicans, ladies and gentlemen, the love they show me out here. After so many years I haven't been to Jamaica. Yeah man, make me want to come back. Make me want to go back home and tell my children, come to Jamaica, come to Portland with the boat. Thank you very much again.
Alright, blessing. I say Hidden Beauty just reach. Hidden Beauty TV, I say fall my G. Wanna forward in. Jump in. Yeah man, I just say Hidden Beauty TV. So
greetings everybody. I am one of Collaz Smith student, and it all started when I was in the hospital. I had a wicked surgery. And I was there for like 8 weeks. And this man was my inspiration. Trust me. And he is the person why today I have not one but 2 channels. So here I am today to meet and greet and to have a laugh, have fun with you guys. We really enjoy coming out here, and we just hope that we can just come together. All we need is just to come together. Yeah, each one of us, each one help one. That's all it's about. Thanks for having me. Mr. Smith.
Alright, so we got the Hidden Beauty team. You don't know. G. So I don't know which one I want to take it off the phone still. Fowler, man. I come in for the Fowler, that's how you are a talker. So,
oh my goodness.
I don't know. The very first time I woke up on Hidden Beauty TV, I see Amanda up on Riverside. We sit like a slingshot. We don't spear in here, shoot fish. I never see that in my life. I know a man stand pan and shoot bird. And then my mother will sit on pan and shoot fish. And I saw me start tuning and I say, yeah. And I start watch it and I subscribe and I follow them. Unique. You know? So Father Fall, give me a word of encouragement or any tips you have, you know, for the YouTubers and with they, especially the upcoming YouTubers.
Yeah man, blessed love to each and everyone this evening. I know every YouTuber they are blessed upon yourself. And what may I say now? Whoa. Alright. Only thing we can say to young YouTuber them, just have faith and just do what you have to do, no matter what. You see me? Even if you see a thing now move, just do what you have to do. Do it for your love. You see me? Because when we just start this, you know, the whole team, you know, we never expected it to reach so far. Because we are doing it for your love, we do what we love. So from we young, we are on. You see me? So, do we want to love? And we make it. Young YouTuber them. Anyone who want to reach. You see me? And blessed to each and everybody over there. We can't call out every YouTuber over there, but love and respect. And love and respect to the people them too. You see me? Yeah man, enough love. You see me? Because we make this possible to you know. You see me? We make everything possible for it though. So blessed love anyone there in the world. You see me? That we have to say. Collaz Smith TV. Bless yourself, my general. You see me I say?
Alright, that is it. So, that In Beauty TV, Father Phone.